Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in Duolingo. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up Duolingo. And here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the middle, then tap on the cog icon, then tap on email, and here we can just type in the email address that we want to update our account to. So if we lost access to this email address, then we can just change it to the new one, and then tap on save, and it's going to be switched to the updated one. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.